Hey, Leah, can I have a bite?
No.
Why not?
Daddy already had his own.
Can I have a bite?
Mommy.
You don't have to give him any.
Daddy.
Thank
Oh,
you.
that's so nice.
Do you want more?
A bite.
Oh, a bite?
You better not. Oh, good daddy. That was good.
Took a little bite.
What a good girl.
Thank you, Leah.
Look at that.
How much of that's gonna come right back out?
Missed a piece.
You're a classy broad. I'm gonna
Want some
tell you that.
water?
Oh, yeah.
She got,
Oh!
More?
stop acting like your mother.